To all the traders of Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia and the rest of the world. This is Nawang here, and I'm one of your favorite market opinion leaders that is based in the bursamarketplace.com. Alright, as usual this week we are coming to the outlook of the FCPO for this coming week, which is stretch on the new month of January from the 2nd to the 6th in the year 2015. But anyway, this week we're going to have short market. Alright, we expect not much liquidity only after the middle week from Wednesday onwards, as the first 2 days will be a holiday in the Kuala Lumpur of Malaysia. Alright, the April contract of FCPO trading in Bursa Malaysia on last Friday actually closed at a price of 2417, as you can see here on the highlighted text, which is 2,147 ringgit per ton in the FCPO trading on the weekly chart here. Alright, from the weekly chart itself, we actually see that the market is pretty bearish as it closed on the whole week on the Dow bar. Alright, with a crossing of the EMA 4 and 20, rising volume, and the open interest is pretty steady here. So this week most likely we are of course looking at the market which is prone to moving down. But on the weekly chart itself, if you happen to see on this bottom 1, 2, 3 and the coming fourth one, we are also seeing market will be very strong support in the region of 2080. Alright, if it happens to come down. So that's our first analysis on this week. 2080 will be strong support if it continues to come down. But what happens if it goes up on last week's high at 2200 range to 2210 will form as a very strong resistance on the weekly chart. Okay, let's move into the day chart and take a closer look here. Alright, on the day chart, let's place the tag here. Alright, on last Friday, as you see on the weekly chart, there was a reversal up bar. Alright, on Friday it actually moved up from a bottom of 2106, as you can read on the open high low close indication on last Friday as I put a cursor here. Alright, the low was 2106 and the market jumped up and closed at 2147. Alright, on this chart alone we also foresee that the previous top here before it came off was at 2208, and that should serve as a very strong resistance if the market happens to go up on this week. So basically on the weekly chart it stands the same analysis as our weekly chart, or on the day chart same as weekly chart, that the market is probably going to be ranged from 2080 up to 2200 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices for this coming week. Okay, on the 4-hour chart the market also happened to be closing up, and there's a possibility of market moving back up to this region around 2190 to 2220. As 4-hour chart we have seen a small little gap here which might be covered on this coming week over the 4-hour chart. And last but not least, let's take a look at the 60-minute chart, which is here. Alright, so it all confirms that on the top side, which is 2217, this will serve as a very strong resistance if the market happen to come up on this week. So by looking at all the different time scale for this week, we conclude that the market is prone to a moving up trend, which might actually trace crude oil from going up. So the expected range for this week will be moving from 20880 to be a very strong support up to 2210 on the top side as a strong resistance. Alright, last but not least, if you have any interest to open a trading account with OPF with very special commission, okay, as I mentioned again, with a commission below the board rate, please call this number 603-2181-8606 and look for Ryan Chua. Please code Dawong in order to get this special commission trading rate. And of course, if you are keen in getting this DZH next to lock-in as what you are seeing here, alright, you can send an email to jc@pwforex.com and look for JC Lee. Alright, thank you very much for staying with us, and this is Dawong here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders from bursamarketplace.com, and we wish you all the best for this coming week. Enjoy a long holiday and trade well, control your risks, and come back on next week. On behalf of OPF, which is Oriental Pacific Futures, signing off here, and I will give my best wishes to you for this coming week. Thank you very much. Bye bye.